And whatever are we going to do now? I think what we're going to do is modify a handcuff key. This is a universal handcuff key, and it fits these thumb cuffs perfectly. And this is the double lock, and as you'll be able to see, it also operates the double lock. Interesting thing is, Smith & Wesson keys, well, you can't even turn it. That do you see why? So you have to take a little bit of this off. So I have my HPC warding files. So you don't want to crush the barrel. So put this on the bow of the key. Let's give it. So this is our test vehicle. As you see, it will not turn. Still won't turn, and that's because I'm taking very little of it off. Ha. So there you go. The old time tools. A hand vise. So set the double lock just to make sure that the key works there as well. So you see the double lock. Oh. 1, 2. Test them out on a pair of Peerless. Make sure there's nothing funky going on. Pair of Smith & Wessons. So this little Sony camera has only a 4-inch focus. Pretty cool. Feels like it just has a a little bit of a burr, and that's what these little manicure emery boards. So you can drag your fingernail across. These thumb cuffs almost sent me to the emergency room one night about 7 years ago. That's a story for another time. Thank you.